Sitarage Jesu, neurombo wako wese, rinokupa simba rake, rekukonda chirunziro. Sitarage rakanaka, mwenje wedu pasi pano. Sitarage rakanaka, mwenje wedu pasi pano. Jesu timuriri wedu, ndiye simba redu rese, tinokunda zvakaipa, nero sitarage Jesu. Sitarage rakanaka, mwenje wedu pasi pano. Sitarage rakanaka, mwenje wedu pasi pano.
Forces extends a helping hand to needy communities by providing a number of selected services prior to the Zimbabwe Defence Forces Day celebrations. The thrust of our community assistance programs is directed towards supporting community development initiatives, focusing mainly on three distinct areas, which are health, education, and social welfare. Over the past years, Manyame Air Force Base has carried out the same program, and we have reached out to a number of areas in different provinces in our area of jurisdiction. The latest being Idule and Leicester Lake clinics in Weta, Manicaland East, where some renovations were done and free medical services were provided. As Manyame Air Force Base, the Zimbabwe Defence Forces Community Assistance Week has allowed us to leave a mark in communities through construction and renovation of schools for both primary and secondary education, as well as health facilities. Through our efforts, these institutions have come to realize an enhanced performance, thereby ensuring the betterment of services they provide to their communities. We have also reached to some communities through free health care during our week of community assistance program. These acts bear testimony of how the Zimbabwe Defence Forces Community Assistance Week initiatives have created a number that cannot be easily forgotten, a landmark that cannot easily be forgotten in making better societies. I was just being briefed by one of our medical officers who are 264 patients, that's free medical aid, free medical services. Of course, most of the ailments that he was talking about are related to old age, which I think is very critical and important. In the current post-COVID era, we learned a critical lesson about the essentials of humanity as far as charity work is concerned. Indeed, among the three aspects that I mentioned, that is health, education, and social welfare, all are equally important to human well-being. However, drawing lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic, we have come to understand the invaluable importance of having health facilities that are easily accessible. Our trust in the Tsonzo community for this year is therefore biased towards health. Education is equally important, as we all know. But who doesn't agree with me that a healthy student will perform better at school than the one with no access to good health care? That is the reason why we chose Tsonzo Rural Hospital to leave an unforgettable mark that will help in augmenting provision of health care. Guided by the current economic blueprint of Vision 2030, which aims at ensuring an upper middle income economy by 2030, where basic access to health care is a guarantee to every citizen of Zimbabwe. The Air Force of Zimbabwe is driving towards the attainment of better health care for this community of Tsonzo in the Mutasa district. During this year's Zimbabwe Defence Forces Community Assistance Week, we have managed to attend to various needs of this hospital through a number of of renovation works that include plumbing, electrical connections, painting, tiling, carpentry, and sewer reticulation. We have also constructed an incinerator to enhance proper disposal of hospital waste. This is still work in progress. We will make sure that what we promise we will fulfill. My being here today is just to officially acknowledge that Air Force is doing something for this hospital, and to promise you that what we saw, which we need to assist to, we will be able to do. As you know, good work is not done by one person alone, but it is a collective effort for the common good that makes good work last longer. I am delighted to learn that the community of Tsonzo has been very supportive from the beginning of this program. And it is my expectation that as we officially hand over this project to you, you will continue supporting the Air Force of Zimbabwe personnel up to the last date of this program, which is on Friday, 9 August. Never mind 9 August, if we haven't finished, commend them for extending their hand for this noble cause. And I hope the partnership we have established will go a long way in assisting communities such as the Tsonzo community. As part of this year's episode of Zimbabwe Defence Forces Community Assistance Week, at Tsonzo Rural Hospital, also known as Kwadada, we hope to also make meaningful impact. As I understand that you have been receiving free instant medical assistance from our medical staff. These efforts are meant to show that a soldier is there to save the people, and it is through this service that we showcase some of our peace times. We are there to serve the people. We live with the people, we are part of the people, and we want to make sure that everyone else lives in peace. I understand students receive career guidance as evidenced by the poem that was done by one of our pupils at Fubunu. And that may see some of them choosing the Air Force of Zimbabwe as their future destiny. To you students, I say study hard and pass your exams if you wish to join our profession. Stay focused and stay away from drugs and other illicit substances. Our efforts here serve a testimony that we, as soldiers, are here to serve the people of Zimbabwe, and it is through these services that we showcase some of our peacetime roles. We are indeed happy to be with you people of Mutasa district this year. May I take this opportunity to declare all activities on the site officially open. May every brick laid remain a mark of permanent development and growth for our nation. I wish you a successful Zimbabwe Defence Forces Community Assistance Week and a happy Zimbabwe Defence Forces Day. Thank you.
Kuarare uko kuseke rodu achikwanisa kuita ziso rekuya kuona zvinhu zviri kuTsonzo kuno kuti pano apa panaomira zvakanaka. Asi isusu vana vekwaMutasa kwacho tiriko, asi tobva tashaya maziso ekuona pakashata. Patati tiri kufamba ndarwadziwa maningi pandazwa kuti pakatakurwa 4 tons dzesewage kubva museptic tank, zvikanzi imwe ichitorimo mapaipu haisati yafamba because yanga yaungana zvekutonamira. Ndobva ndazvibvunza kuti saka vanhu vari mudzimba umu wanga vari kugara sei nehwema? Zviro zvazviri kuungana mumapaipu handizvo zvinokonzera korera here? Saka kana korera ikatangira pachipatara, iyo pachipatara paripo panofanira kuchengeta vanhu vane korera zvatinyi manje. Saka ndinoti kuvana vekwaMutasa, onaiwo zvaonekwa nevanhu vari kupfuura, tisare tibatane tigadzirise zvinhu izvozvo izvo. Ndazwa kufara pandanzwa kuti mandimutsira pane zvaitawo, Marunga pane zvaitawo, Muzvare Nyasanza pane zvaitawo, Ningi pane zvaitawo. Ndo zvatiri kuda izvozvo. Nyika inovakwa nevene wayo. ungaita here na I love more. Ungaita mbili ekuzi Mr. Watsomba. Mr. Watsomba, Mwatsomba muri kuwera suwe. Ndilo basa rako ka Mr. Watsomba kona zvizvamira zvakanaka. Ita that extra eye yawaita nhasi iyo.